Dirt Fishman here again, y'all, with another video. I got a couple of premiums I'm going to open up and a Johnny Lightning. My first and only Johnny Lightning that I got. I'm going to open up. And here goes the Johnny Lightning first. It is the Shelby Cobra GT350. 68. Yep, let's see what it looks like opened up. Check that little car out. Put it on the turner and see what it looks like. Check that thing out. That is an awesome casting right there. I love my Mustangs, especially my Shelbys. That is a nice car right there. Yep. Up next, we opening up the modern classic Subaru Impreza. See what it looks like. If I can get the slice open, it'd be all right. And check that bad boy out right there. This one here was hard to come by. Hard to come by. But I finally found it. It's the holy grail of the Subarus. Up next, we have the 97 Mercedes-Benz CLK GTR AMG on the front of it. This is a nice casting right here. We'll see what it looks like open. Check that bad boy out. Got the Mobile 1 livery on it, D2 livery on it. That is just an awesome casting right there. Awesome. So in the comments, tell me which one y'all like the best out of this three right here. This ain't much, but this is all I got. Dirt Fishman out.